The Cordless Glide and Go is a 100% blackout shade that is perfect for any window in the home or office. This roller shade does not require tugging and pulling. Simply glide the shade into the desired height and go. Installation is easy. To begin, you will need a measuring tape, pencil, screwdriver, or drill. First, simply measure your inside or outside mounting width to select the correct size Glide and Go shade. Please note, the actual size of the shade is a ½ inch smaller than the stated size. Next, using a pencil, mark the window frame or wall with the appropriate holes of each bracket for the correct mounting type. There are detailed instructions included with your Glide and Go shade regarding placement of the brackets and proper installation. Repeat this process on the opposite side. You'll now begin installing each screw to secure the bracket in place. Align the top of the headrail with the brackets, slightly angle the top of the headrail towards the window. Using a gentle rotating motion towards the window, the back of the bracket will grasp the back of the headrail and you should hear a click from each bracket when it has connected. Your new Glide and Go shade is ready for use.